Okay. Oh, well, guys, I think I just forget about it. Let's, guys, I'm fling myself. Woo!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Round my room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Honky Monster back on my channel, and today this is well, not today, but like an update 67. They added the Christmas week 2 with the uncommon present, and this is about the another Christmas update. This is the snowman hunt this time. This is the uncommon, rare, and very rare, the Santa sleigh one. I've actually did it for like only maybe a few days ago or weeks. I don't know, but oh well. So yeah, oh, and as you can see right there, they added the 15 limited cars back, the old limited cars back, which is very cool. And I got I got a lot of them except for these two right there. These are gonna take me a while because look, I'm not even gonna waste credits. Look, I have 1,554 credits. I keep grinding to get some really cool cars and futuristic looking vehicles, and yeah, and I think I fully upgraded almost. So yeah, let's just check out the Christmas week too. So here's the uncommon present. Here's the 150 platina. Here's 30 mission points. There's a Christmas room. There's 50 mission points, and as you guys can see, this is the ripoff of the Centenario one. The Centenario, Lamborghini Centenario, and the legendary secret car. And yeah, as you can see there, that's the week 1, and there's the week 2. And yeah, there's a rare, epic, uncommon, legendary, and very rare, which I've already got. So yeah, and also, I'll just show you guys, okay? Snowman hunt.
Destroy the basic snowman 10 times, appears during snowman hunt, so you can see when the next one happens on the event display in the lobby. Destroy the golden snowman 2 times. Destroy the giant magic snowman.
To get the very rare present.
Destroy the Santa sleigh. Unbreakable targets. Destroy Razor Rock tunnel target with Audi RS2 event. Destroy Hickory Speedway target with a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Destroy highway target with BMW 435i. Destroy Stun Park target. Destroy Ice target. Destroy runaway target. Destroy mountain stun target. Destroy highway stun target. Destroy mountain drop target. Destroy waterfall stun target. And Winter Derby, hit 5 opponents with snowball power-ups. Make a derby knockout with a snowball power-up. And earn 1,000 derby score on the map North Pole.
So yeah, so which I already did. Yeah, and as you guys can see, I have now it's back to 2,500 platina. You know why? Because, well, I have finally got the industrial excavator right there, as you can see, and I've painted it in gold, which would be so freaking cool. Wow, look how wide this thing is. So it's only 69 miles per hour. Like, this thing is so huge. This is our 4th tier 4 vehicle in the game. Wow. I'm actually very impressed with this. So yeah, and as you can see, these few cars are changed back to not limited. It's just back to free. Free cars. You know. And okay, so we have this Hennessy Venom something, which is very cool. It's actually the front looks similar to the Lotus, and it's American supercar. Oh,
Car purchase 2 has many limited cars that went off sale years in the past as a limited Christmas offering. We're now bringing some of them back for the first time ever.
Thank you. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. So 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 15 limited cars. And one of the limited cars was in the secret present, but it was the legendary one, week 2. So yes, I've got this very cool Ford Mustang Shelby GT, the old Ford Mustang from 1967, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not very good at what types of cars have years or something, but I'm just very good at naming these cars. So yeah, here's the Ford Mustang Shelby GT 1967. As you can see, it looks It looks really cool. I customized it, and as you can see, they added the new rim, the snowflake ones. I think it's a snowflake. I don't know, but oh well. It's really cool. Look at it. It's very cool. You see, guys? That's the target that I was talking about. You can see that. So, yeah, okay. So, let's just test them out. I'll just test them out. Let's see if I can do it first try. Oh, almost. Almost. There we go. Perfect target. Well, I'm sliding. What in the... Jeez. Okay, that was kind of weird. I'll be testing out these guys on low gravity to test them on a water slide to see if they make it to 100 or not. I always do these because it's very fun. So, yeah. Excuse me, guys. I don't know if it's possible. I painted black and white, so it would look very, very cool. Oh, that was close. Also, I'd like to apologize to you guys that I am a little bit late to this game because I was trying to get these old limited cars because I was keep grinding and it took me so long to get these limited cars, except for these two cars. So, yeah. All right. I have about like 551 trillion. 500 trillion, 51. 551 trillion. That's a lot. Jeez. Oh, that was close. What? Dang it. Oh, it's close. Wow. Alright. So 203. Okay, we're doing a lot of flips. Awesome. Okay, so I guess it was that. And here we have the Nissan Z. So yeah, it's very cool, and I decided to keep it in simple color. Well, this thing sounds sick. Wow. Oh, that was close. That was almost first attempt. Wow. Oh, again. Okay, well this is not good with this card, so I'm just gonna open what's this again. Oh, that was so cool. I like that trick shot. Just hit the wall, and like just wow, that was so perfect. Or I mean, like 2021. So yeah. Well, there's not all the old limited cars, but they're just like there's just some. Say there's just some a lot of them. So yeah. $222 mph. Okay. Oh well, guys, I think I just forget about it. Guys, I fling myself. Woo! Oh, this was the limited car that it was on the Epic present. So yeah. So it's a black Nissan. This is the 350Z version, but it's the race one. Race version once again, just like the other Nissans. Oh, third try. Let's go. This thing is super quick. 233 miles per hour. Okay. I guess I'm just gonna save myself. Hit the brakes, 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 hit the brakes. Oh, that was almost saved. Okay, well, at least I did not do any damage with this car. Well, what's it doing? What in the world? Why is it doing like this? I don't know what the... Next is a Toyota 222D, which if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, this is what it is. This black car. This is very cool. This very cool black car. Alright. Whoa, spinny twirlies. That was funny. Oh, what? Ooh! What the? Is now stuck? Never mind. Oh. Wait, no. 217. What was I thinking? Hit the brakes, 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 hit the brakes. Whew. That was close. Well, not very, very close, but that was still close. And I put like chain tires on this car. A Honda Ridgeline, okay? Okay, here's a Volvo Steel Champion. Look at this thing, it looks... Oh, I got a currency gift. Excuse me. Wow, 450 billion. Okay, interesting. And here's the Volvo Steel Champion, like I said. This is very cool. One of the fastest trucks in the game. Oh, here's the Nissan Juke, which is probably like one of the worst limited cars ever in the game, because I've seen some videos that this thing looks so goofy looking. As you can see, guys, look at it. Look, it's not even built right. I mean, I don't hate it. It's just terrible. It's just horrible. Like, I don't know why. I don't know why they made it like this. And they just painted it in green to make it even look more goofier, and the rim's white. Oh. Whoa. This is gonna take a shorter time than the second, or maybe third video about my Kart Crashers 2 videos. Like, people complained that it took long to do this, so This thing is... Oh. I just don't know why. This thing is... It's just not funny at all. Oh, that was so close. Oh, I made it with the worst limited cars ever in the game. Uh oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, false alarm. Whew. I think I saw it. I think I saw 4, so it's like 214 miles per hour. So it's 214 miles per hour. Okay. We have this very cool Audi e-tron GT, I think. And I actually decided to put it onto painted black, lime green, and white, so it would look like more like modular, like it would make it like more like modular Clueless's car, which in the Porsche one, oh, yes, thank you. Which in the Porsche one, the Porsche 911 RSR one, I actually put it back to the Motorsport one. Do you know why? Because on the Audi e-tron, on the modular Clueless's paint job, it just looks so much better than the Porsche one. Wow, this looks exactly like This looks exactly like modular Clueless's car. Like, look at it. It's so freaking sick. And also that, like, when I tested out with normal gravity, the handling was so freaking good on this car. So, yeah, I'll just show you guys later on. But for now, I just gotta test him on a water slide. Oh, that was close. If Modular Clueless is watching this video, he would be like so excited for this. Like, he would be like, just like painting his Modular Clueless's paint job, like I did, as you can see right there. Wow, it's so freaking cool. This thing is like, this thing has like very like a long wheelbase, and the top is like, it's very like slanted down. It's like a pancake, and this thing is very thick. Wow, it's a very thick car and low. And I painted the interior green. I think Modular Clueless's favorite color is green. Maybe like lime green. I think it's lime green. So I decided to put a lime green interior. Modular Clueless would love this car if he would paint it the same, just like I did. Oh, there we go. See, look at the handling on this car. It just looks very cool. It just looks very good on this. Okay, like, for example, I'll just put it to 196. I'll just show you guys the handling of this car. Like, just look at that. It's so cool. It's so good. The handling is so good on this car. I'm very impressed with this. This is also might be one of my favorites. It's very, very, very cool. And the top speed is 247 miles per hour. Not bad. Not bad. Just hitting the brakes. Okay. A little bit of a scrap, but not that bad. Here's the Neo EP9, as you can see there. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this. I don't know why. It just looks... I don't know. I just like... Maybe just like, I don't... Like, I'm not a fan of this car because I don't like the model, but who cares? I'll just keep it, I guess. And I've got the Mercedes Batch 90s. I don't know what in real life is. It's because I've been searching on Google, and I still couldn't find it. So yeah, like I did not get it in the last Christmas year, but in this year I finally got it. Oh, it almost made it to 100 in his first attempt. Wow. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Oh, there we go. Okay. 50. Okay. That was close. Here it is, the Lamborghini Centenario. The fake version of the Lamborghini Centenario, I think. Well, it just not looks too fake. It doesn't look too fake, to be honest. It just looks kind of real. Because the back is just like, it just looks similar. In the front too. Like, look at the body shape. Yeah, it almost looks similar to the real one. So yeah. But like I said, like maybe like in a few videos, Lamborghinis got sued. But like the few Lamborghinis that they were not in the game, they're not sued. Because they were not in the game before, like a Lamborghini Diablo and the Revuelto. So yeah. And this is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorite Lamborghinis so far. The Centenario one. That's very cool. 200. Oh, close. Again. Whoa. Whoa. What? Why is it not going in this time? Whoa. What? How did I end up here? What the? Oh, that was close. Oh, I almost did it too. I did it again. Almost did it again. Well, I tried it before and it just it didn't it just almost made it in. But I think for now it's it's not gonna go in anymore. It's not gonna go very close anymore. It's just now it's gonna fail me. There we go. It just looks so nice. Wow. 289 miles per hour. In fact, I'll just brake so I don't want. I'll just brake so I just don't want to destroy my precious Lamborghini Centenario. Very fantastic car. Here's the Hennessy. As you can see, the front, look, it just looks similar. It looks similar to the Lotus. See? You see what I mean? You see what I mean? See what I mean? So yeah. But it's not the same. The back is not the same. The Hennessy Venom is something. I just don't know what model is it. Here's the new car, which is the Campbell Napier Bluebird. which is kind of like a weird car, but it's also very, very fast. But not faster than the Lamborghini Egoista one. And the EX and the Razor Taycan Speed. So yeah. This thing is so long. I just don't know if it's gonna make it to 100 or not. And the braking, is like very bad on this one, on this car. The braking on this car is like it's very bad. So yeah. I just don't think it's. I don't think I'm gonna give him a permission. Well, to get in 100 by its own. So I'm just gonna. Oh, there we go. $367. Okay, not bad. Oh my god, I'm flying so high. Jeez. Couldn't even get to the invisible wall. Jeez! How long was that flight? Oh my god. That was a weird sound. So it was 367. Okay, now I get it. Oh no. It's the Antarctic Snow Cruiser. Wow, look at that. It's very huge. Very, very huge. Go into 100. Like, look at it. It barely just like fits in. It's not gonna go in. What the heck? 106 miles per hour. Okay, not bad. I mean, it's kind of bad because it's a big truck and it's very slow, but it's still not slow enough. Oh, I almost saved myself. I almost got back there. Oh, wow, that's cool. Wow. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for this video. So, yeah. If you guys did enjoy this video, let me know. And, yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.